We have a big leak on this Case 420 CT Series 3 skid steer loader. When the engine's idling, it's not leaking. When you start to move the pilot controls forward or backwards to move the tracks, it starts leaking. This big pipe right here, this hose right down here, it's got a bend in it where it's rubbing against the floor and it's worn out underneath from the vibrations and just the harsh angle, so that has to be replaced, and that will fix this major hydraulic leak. Another one has happened before from a ground wire rubbing through a steel hydraulic line somewhere down